एनजीओ को हमने फॉर्म करने की इच्छा जाहिर की। उस टाइम जो हमारा ग्रुप आपने इस साइड पे अभी देखा, शायद आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि ये बोलने वाले नहीं हैं, सिर्फ सुनने वाले हैं। तो इन्होंने मुझसे कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जिनका आज मैं खुलासा तहे दिल से ईमानदारी से आपके सामने करना चाहूंगा। इन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि जब तुम चेयरमैन एनआईआरसी के रह लिए तो अब तुम इस एनजीओ में क्या करोगे। बहुत अच्छा सवाल था। मैंने उनको जवाब दिया। मैंने कहा कि कुछ हमारी वो लिमिटेशन जो हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में होती हैं, जो हम एज ए चेयरमैन एनआईआरसी नहीं कर सकते, उसको हम इस एनजीओ के थ्रू कर सकेंगे, क्योंकि हमारी कोई उस टाइम लिमिटेशन नहीं होगी। उसके बाद इन्होंने मुझसे पूछा जब आईसीआई है तो आपको इस एनजीओ की क्या जरूरत है। मैंने कहा आईसीआई एक रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी है और आईसीआई जो रेगुलेशन कर सकती है उसको बहुत बार गवर्नमेंट के कहने के ऊपर चलना पड़ता है, लेकिन इस एनजीओ की अपनी कोई रेगुलेशन नहीं है। इसके मेंबर इसकी स्ट्रेंथ है, इसके मेंबर जो इसको कहेंगे वही उसको करना होगा, गवर्नमेंट उस चीज को चाहे या ना चाहे, और हम हर तरीके से इस एनजीओ में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। फिर इस टीम ने मुझे बहुत सारे और क्वेश्चन पूछे। कहा ठीक है अब आप एनजीओ बनाने के लिए करें, लेकिन आप ये बताएं इन सब चीजों को आप कैसे पूरा करेंगे। What the question they have asked to me, can you visualize employment for all young member, every chartered accountant? Yes, I said sure, I will try my best. Then they asked me, can you visualize the growth with limited resources? This NGO is formed by 5-7 people. How you will utilize, how will you come and bring the money? I said, sure, we can do it. Next question they asked me, how you visualize equal participation for men, women and senior? I said, surely I can do it. And today you can see the crowd, the CA fraternity available here, the senior, junior and women all are present here in equal strength. I should request you to give applause. Then they asked me, can you visualize a qualitative professional and social life? I said, yes, we can do it. Then they asked me, can you visualize a forum that could support to get justice before any social, political or professional forum? I said, yes, we can do it. And in the lighter vein, in one of my junior and beloved to my heart, the dynamite of this profession, Kapil Goyal, may I request Kapil Goyal to come here? He asked me a very lighter question. इसने मुझसे पूछा, संजय जी तुम क्या सारा हाथी खा सकते हो? सारा हाथी खा सकते हो क्या? कपिल जी पूछो कैसे पूछा था। सारा हाथी खा सकते हो? खा सकते हैं?
Bite by bite.
Yes. Bite by bite we can eat the elephant also. Though I am a vegetarian, but still we promise you from this forum that we can complete all these, yes, bite by bite, slowly and slowly. So with this, automatically, the status of a professional in the society is the reflection of the image of that profession. That is the vision of your voice of CA. If we are respected in the society, then we are also respected everywhere. That is the image. What is the horizon? Yes, as my friend Amit has said, till date our males are going to 22,000 members, which includes 4,500 females also. What are the aims of Voice of CA? Creating a knowledge bank in all the relevant fields, available for access 24/7, and today we will show that we have launched our website in 1.5 months. Formation for peers of similar character for better exchange on information and accurate communication. That is the vision. Wherever we supply the information, we try to see this, that all those information are correct and accurate, but still we need to have improvement, and it is the team Voice of CA will provide us that correction. To create a platform for recognizing the contribution of the eminent members, today we will do it. and community facilitating their interaction with the rest of the community. These are the people who are behind the curtain, and today we will try to honor some of them. Enabling members for better service, their employees, clients and the nation as a whole. Because once we start this, then the nation becomes more important. And today we are going to announce various chapters where so many members, those who are not known in the society, otherwise well in the political circle also, they have been added in the chapters of the Voice of CA. Members to regulation and the legislator. We have done in the case of 195(6) and the amendment has come in the form of 15 CB form. To create an environment and platform for interaction with the person of their own fraternity. Yes, you can email to us, and there is a query system which is going to be announced, and today also, right now we are also solving the queries. Providing the regular updates to make efforts for advancement and review discussion to promote quality service and excellence in the profession of chartered accountancy, and enroll eminent personality as its associate member. There is no bondage in our NGO. We can enroll any member who is eminent as associate member. What is the team of Voice of CA? May I listen from your side? And yes, this is the team of Voice of CA. That is why in this program we have not called any dignitary to inaugurate this particular program. Each one of the category, senior, women and young, will inaugurate this program, and we will take out the slip. No special dignity. Vision and milestone. Young CSL. And any cell which our member will say, we will add up. What is the senior CSL? We have formed with the idea to bring senior and experienced chartered accountant on the platform to enable the members to take benefit of their vast ocean of knowledge. It is only that we do not utilize it. If we sit with them for 1 hour or half an hour, let me assure you, we can learn a lot. And every day when I start in the morning, I learn from my mother, and as we learn from our elders. What is the proposal for the senior CSL? We wish to organize voluntary health camps. We wish to organize blood donation camps. We wish to have ambulance for senior chartered accountants and their family members, and also for the common chartered accountant, especially dedicated to chartered accountant and their family. No one might have thought about this, that any ambulance only for chartered accountants and their family members. Who will give the fund for this? There are so many members in the senior, in the industry, in the business, who can give the money, and in their name we can run this ambulance. This is the vision of the chartered accountant, Voice of CA. Formulation of pension scheme, insurance scheme for them specifically. These are our proposal. What is the milestone we have in the senior CSL? We have tied up with the Age Well Foundation, NGO, and they have dedicated a phone line 10 and 6 Monday to Saturday. Any senior above 60 or any family member can call on that interaction line. I will not say helpline, interaction line. And today we will demonstrate, when the senior cell will be here, that how that line will operate. The number we are flashing here, we will try that this interaction line, which we have requested that it should be extended today. And I would like to share one little joke. एक ऐसे ही सेमिनार में काफी देर बोलता रहा, बहुत सारे लोग मेरे भाषण को सुनते रहे, तो माकू जी उसमें बैठे हुए थे, यहाँ भी बैठे हुए हैं। तो जब मेरा भाषण खत्म हुआ, थैंक यू वाली स्लाइड है, ये जब आती है तो बड़ी जोर से बोल देते हैं, इसको धीरे से बोला करिए क्योंकि हमारी नींद खुल जाती है। विद दिस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Wish you all the best for your efforts. Friends, I would like to inform you wherein Shri Anurag Agarwal, a renowned motivator and trainer, was the guest speaker to announce the winners of 7th April seminar. Participant past chairman NRC, to kindly come on the stage.
The first name in this list is Sandhya Suri. Is Sandhya Suri is here? Please come.
Sandhya. Next participant was Pankaj Pava. I request Pankaj to come on the stage. Next name is Golden Jan. Golden Jan, also come on the stage. Congratulations, Golden, Vineet, Jha and Vineet Goyal. आपको ये जान के हर्ष होगा कि वॉइस ऑफ सीए ने कुछ ही समय में अपनी पहचान न केवल दिल्ली में बल्कि संपूर्ण नॉर्दर्न रीजन में बना ली। हमारे बीच में मौजूद हैं इस आश्वासन के साथ कि वे हमारे लक्ष्य में कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चलने और अपना सहयोग देने को इतना समय निकाला। मैं श्री अनिल अग्रवाल जी से निवेदन करूंगा, पास्ट चेयरमैन एनआरसी, कि वो कृपया मंच पर आइए और हमारे ब्रांचेस से आए सदस्यों का स्वागत करें। इमीडिएट पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट चेयरमैन श्री अश्विनी थैंक यू अश्विनी जी, आगरा जी, सदस्यों से श्री सतीश गर्ग। मेंबर से रिक्वेस्ट है कि कृपया ताली बजा के, जोरदार ताली बजा के हमारे बाहर से आए भाइयों का स्वागत करें। बजाइए। फरीदाबाद ब्रांच, कृपया मंच की तरफ आए। बड़ा भाई भी पीछे चला, ठीक है। सप्ताह बाजार में भाई साहब वोट नहीं डालेंगे, थैंक यू सर, मेनी थैंक्स सर। I have informed you about, as you know, finding a job has become a challenge in the current scenario. Please brief us about the Shri Krishna Malhotra ji to hand over.
First employment through voice of CA.
CA
छोटी सी बात कहना चाहूँगा।
In order to serve the members round the clock on real-time basis, Voice of CA has Shri VB Mathur to come on this stage. Welcome Shri Mukesh Bhutani ji, from whose hands we are going to inaugurate our website.
Voice of CA.
Thank you, Mr. Bhutani ji. Thank you, Mr. Mathur. Senior members shall seek the building their career. At the same time, with Age Well Foundation, an NGO dedicated towards the wealth of family members, call for assistance and support.
Through Women's Year Plan of Voice of CA, we are trying to give a platform to all the women chartered accountants by which we have the cell by honoring 2 women CA present here with us today. So Shivani is speaking to Shivani is announcing the women member. Shivani.
Rajni Sharma, membership number 86911.
May I call Rajni Sharma on the stage, please?
CA Rajni Sharma. And the second name is CA Charitra Kumar. Rajni Goyal. May I request Ms. Tripti to come on stage? Good evening. Cell of Voice of CA has been formed with the idea of professional development of female DA for big success.
Thank you, Monica. Friends, you would be glad to know that veteran hearty welcome. I would like to formally thank you for taking out your wishing to have a musical evening.
Singing by Rajesh and Nanda. Over to Rajesh and Nanda, please come on the stage. We welcome you all.
Is also there.